Now for this video, we're going to discuss about the logical operators and how we can implement them in our conditional expressions in our if statements. Okay, so we have three logical operators. We have and, or, and not. Let us first discuss the and operator. Ayan. So we have the and operator. And in AND operator, the result of a logical AND is true only when operands or the conditional expressions on both sides are true. So ang sabi doon, kapag parehas na true, true and true, it will result to true. Okay? But if one of them is false, false na yon automatically. So we have true and false, that is false. False and true is false. False and false is false. Okay? So yun yung tandaan natin. Both sides must be true in order for the result of the AND operator to be true. Okay? So here's an example. Yan. In this example, we have a program that will identify whether whether a person is a teenage male, an adult male, or teenage female, or an adult female. Okay? So ang input natin dito ay age and gender. And dito, we have age is equal to 15. So ang value ng age natin ay 15 at ang value ng gender is female. Okay? So ito i-identify ngayon ni ng Python kung ano yan. Okay? So dito tayo sa unang if. Yan, we have the first if. If age is less than 20, which is evaluated as true, age is less than 20 because 15 is less than 20. Okay? And gender is equal to male. This is false because gender is equal to female. So female is not equal to male, no? Kaya false yan. So we have true and false. So anong sabi doon? That if both operands are true, it will result to true. Pero pag may isa sa kanila na false, that is already false. So itong buong to, pag in-evaluate niya, this is false. Because true and false is false. Okay? Kaya nito, we have true and false is false. So, hindi niya gagawin ito. So, hindi siya teenage male. Ngayon, pupunta siya sa next na evaluation, na expression. Okay? Next na if. Okay, so itong condition natin dito, if age, okay, is greater than or equal to 20, it's not greater than or equal to 20, therefore this is false. And gender is equal to male, also false. So false and false, okay, this is false. Therefore, hindi niya gagawin yan. Okay? Hindi niya gagawin yan. So pupunta tayo ngayon doon sa isa na namang if. If age is less than or equal to 20, or less than 20 pala, should say. So, age is less than 20, this is true. Okay? And gender is equal to female, this is also true. Okay? True and true, ang sabi doon, if both operands are true, then it will result to true. Okay? So, yun yung and operator doon. Okay? So, we have true and true, it is true. Therefore, yung evaluation natin dito ay pag in-evaluate siya ng Python, it will be evaluated as true. Okay? So, dahil true itong expression natin dito, therefore, ito yung kanyang i-execute. Teenage female. So, in-identify niya itong input natin as teenage female. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung result. Pag plinay natin siya, ayun. So, we get a teenage female. Okay? Ayan. Okay. What if, ayan, tignan natin. For example, lagay natin dito na negative 15 or let's say yung age niya. Ayan, for example, hindi female yung ilagay natin. Lagay natin na lagay natin na yan, neither. So for example, age is equal to 15, gender is equal to neither. So ang magiging result, tignan natin, ayan. So lumabas doon is unidentified. Okay? So dahil wala sa choices natin yung isang wala sa choices natin yung Neither. Okay, so wala dun sa choices. Okay, so yun yung AND, logical operator. So that's how it works. Okay, so tandaan nyo lang lagi na ang AND magiging true lang if both operands are true. Okay?